Welcome guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you update or download the latest version of Solo Op app. Because if you don't update this app then you will not be able to use templates and new cool feature to edit your video like pro. There are two ways in which you can install the updated version of Solo Op. The first method is by using Telegram app. Just download Telegram app from Play Store, or if you have already downloaded then just click on the link given below and join that Telegram channel through the link. Then click on the three dots available at the top right side of your screen and then click on search. Type Solo Op and then search it. Now by clicking here you can easily download and install the latest version of Solo Op app from here. The latest version of Solo Op app size is about 108 megabytes. I'm sure that this help you 100% in updating your Solo Op. The second method to update this app is from App Store, which is available on Realme and Oppo phones. Here it's how. Open App Store and search Solo Op and update to the latest version. If you can't find App Store on your device then comment down. I will be making another video informing how can you add App Store app on your device. That's all for this. If you want that you never miss any update of Solo Op then subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.